In this trade example, we have a trend line coming down. There is no static trend line, so we can't really draw the trend line down here. But what we do have is a dynamic trend line. The trend is respecting the 12-period moving average. So after we've done our weekly top-down approach, we have our resistance levels and we have our support levels. We notice that prices are right on the dynamic trend line, which is the 12-period moving average. We drop down to the 4-hourly chart because what we're doing is we're trying to get a breakthrough of this and then a pullback. If you were interested in trading this area, going long based on an excursion beyond the mean, or for some reason prices hasn't really touched your area of importance and you still wanting to go long, you've missed this trading opportunity. You're looking now for your second trading opportunity trying to go long. So in this case, we can measure the distance from the trend line up to here, and it's around about 200 pips. So what we need to understand is that our whatever entries we do take, we need to make sure that we have 2:1. So 100 pip stop loss to try and get to this 200 pip target up here. So we're dropping back down to our 4-hourly chart, and we noticed our trend line from our daily. Prices are hovering on the trend line at the moment. So we wait and see. Prices are still on the trend line. It's still hovering there. Accumulation still there. And then finally we get a breakout. We are on high alerts looking for our pullback. And the pullback comes in the form of just one candle this time. Once this happens, we drop down to our trigger chart, which is the 15-minute. And then we are looking for one of our 6 entries. Now, in this case, we have prices making lower lows, and the RSI in this case is not. So there's a divergence on the RSI. What's adding to the conviction here of this trade is that all this price action is happening on our 633 period moving average. So what we could do now is already place in our pending orders. And because we have a 36 period moving average right here where we were going to enter long, we can just move our entry conservatively above that. And then our stop loss below that area. So remember that we had a 200 pip target. So this should be around about 100 pips at least. So there we go. Our entries up here, our stops are here, and then all we have to do is wait and see if we get triggered in. And then we get triggered in within a few minutes in this case, and there we go. We hit the target that we've identified on our daily chart.